Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about the Biologic Control Act, the Pure Food and Drug Act, and Syphilis study. The Biologic Control Act of 1902, also known as the Virus Toxin Law, was the first law that implemented federal regulations of biological products such as vaccines in the United States. It was enacted in response to two incidents involving deaths of 22 children who had contra- contracted tetanus from the contaminated vaccines. For the first time, pre-market approval for every biological drug is happened in Biological Control Act. The Pure Food and Drug Act. The Pure Food and Drug Act is also known as the Willy Act, was a significant piece of legislation in the United States. It was passed in 1906 and signed into law by President Theodore Roosevelt. The main purpose of Pure Food and Drug Act was to address the widespread issues of adulterated and misbranded food and drugs in the country at that time. Key provisions of that act included prohibiting of the interstate transportation and sale of the adulterated and or misbranded food and drugs, requiring that certain drugs, particularly those with habit forming ingredients, be labeled with accurate ingredients and dosage information. Empowering the government to inspect and regulate the food and drug to ensure they met the established standards of purity and quality. This law laid the foundation for modern food and drug regulations in the United States and led to the creation of the Food and Drug Administration in 1906, which has since played a crucial role in ensuring the safety and efficacy of food and drugs available to the public. The Syphilis study. The syphilis study, officially known as Tuskegee study of untreated syphilis in a Negro male, was a highly unethical and infamous study conducted by the United States Public Health Services that began at 1932 and lasted until 1972. The study took place in Tuskegee, Alabama and involved 600 African and American men, 399 of whom had syphilis and 201 who did not. The purpose of study was to observe the progression of untreated syphilis over time. Tragically, the participants were not informed about the nature of the study, were not given proper medical treatment for their condition and were misled into the thinking they were receiving free health care. The study continued even after the discovery of penicillin as an effective treatment for syphilis in 1940s. The ethical violations and exploitations of the participants shocked the public when the study details were revealed by the white whistleblower and the media in the early 1970s. In 1972, the Tuskegee syphilis study was terminated and it led to the significant changes in research ethics, including the establishment of more stringent guidelines and regulations for the protection and of human research subjects. The study remains a dark chapter in the history of medical research and underscores the importance of informed consent and ethical considerations of all the human researches. Thank you.